Welcome to PaidToday, how to show or hide or turn off or turn on products and or courses in the client portal. So if you've created your page set, your website first, and you've turned on the portal options for that, check those tutorials if you haven't done that yet. But so right now we're looking at this screen. It's the client portal sign in for our page set. If we're back to our editor, so our only portal page that we did in the last tutorial, if we edit it, we're trying to log into this one right now. So that's where we're at here. So let's just go ahead and log in. And from here we can see we've got, we're showing a couple courses and a couple products here. If we look at our products, so we've got 5 here. And say we need to turn this Simple Life mug off. We don't want this available in the customer portal at this time. All we have to do, so we're going to go back into our PaidToday account here, and from here we're going to go ahead and click on the products tab on the left sidebar, and then we want to go find the Simple Life mug. This is the one we want to turn off. We're going to go ahead and click edit, and then right here we can see a show in marketplace button. We're going to turn that off. And then we're just going to go ahead and click save. And then if we go back over to our customer portal, we're still signed in. I'm just going to refresh the page. And we can see that that product no longer shows up and is not available here. So that's a real easy way to turn products on or off. So maybe I'm out of stock of these and I don't even want to show them. I could just go back in and do that same thing. So any of your product edits that you do here. So we'll turn this back on. Will show up. Maybe we're going to do an increase on the price. If I go ahead and save that, we'll see if I refresh back in the client portal. There it is, and the price has now updated, and we can see that it's updated here as well. So any of those edits that you do will be live across everything, all your client portals.